Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use OP AutoClicker. Just go on your browser, then type in this OP AutoClicker. Go on the first link. Here, that's where you download, click on download. Then wait for it to finish downloading. Then after it downloads, save it and then open it. You'll see it like this. And to use it, this is the click interval. It's set by minutes. You can set it for hours, minutes, seconds, or milliseconds, depending on what you want. And here, this is where you choose where the mouse click, which one. Is it the left click, the right click, or the middle one? And this one's to the type of click. Like, do you want a single click or double click? Here is how many times it gets repeated. After here is the current location, and then if you want to pick another location, you just click on here and pick a location. And to start it, just press here, type in F6 and you start. And you can stop it by just clicking on stop or F6 as well. And you're done.